Jochiw Thieth kata nurses mapacho kaendi mano kanyo migosi Collins Otieno Joang okwede okang' mabor mokalo riwruok mar governors moyango kanyo konyo sirem winjo yuak kata ng'ur ma nurses mapacho kaendi nitiere godo kane oloso yango kanyo eko ni en kaka jatelo ma ochung' kanyo eko ne Jochiw Thieth go kata nurses pod obiro mana medo siro ng'anyo margi nyaka chop koro governors beko winjo kwayo yuak kod dwaro mabende koro nurses mapacho kaendi nigo. Migosi Collins Ojoang ne loso kanyo eko mbalelany mar Chuka kinde mabende ne gidhi kanyo eko timo romo margi mag weche beko mag thieth.
Joang, I am the president of the National Nurses Association of Kenya. Why nurses? While all other cadres have had successful implementation of their career progression documents. We prepared the career progression documents previously known as the scheme of service 4 years ago, but implementation has stalled with the COG. What is really wrong with the COG? Why can't they also give nurses the chance to enjoy their profession like any other professionals? The other cadres have gotten their career progression signed and is being implemented. What beef do they have with the nurses? The nurses have been patient for long. The career progression document has to be approved by the COG. The Public Service Commission has no issue with it. The Ministry of Health has no issue with it. What is it that the COG is having against nurses? While nurses are the ones running their health institutions in level 2, 3, 4, and 5. But they don't want to recognize nurses. We are urging the COG, and if they don't take it, seriously, then this strike will go on and on and on until they are voted out of office. We are just not taking it lightly. We are telling the county government, started by the governors, to listen to the plea of nurses. It does not pain. That money is not theirs. They should give nurses the rightful cadres where they belong. Nurses have gone to school. Nurses have studied. Nurses have had PhDs. Nurses have had degrees and masters. And diplomas. Why is it that they cannot promote nurses? Why is it that they don't recognize the qualifications of nurses? We are not taking this kindly. We want the COG to implement the career progression document and align nurses according to their career and their qualification. Why can't they be reinstated and given their rightful position so that they can go home happily? Why do they have to be sabotaged? Why do they have to be made like they never worked before? We want the 7 of them to be reinstated back on the payroll, be paid their money, and be released if they're going for retirement peacefully and harmoniously as nursing professionals. Finally, we are asking our members that the strike is very much legal, and all nurses are encouraged to participate in this legal strike. We will be there for them, and we have all the mechanisms to make sure that what is rightfully to be given to nurses and belong to them should be.